Hi, welcome to this video. If you are looking for OCR engine, you are on the right video. First, why using OCR? OCR is used in multiple use cases. Here are some examples. For example, in healthcare, OCR engines are useful to digitize the entire patient medical history, including the X-rays, including hospital records, disease reports, etc. In the legal field, OCR engines are used to create searchable databases of all the printed documents, including judgments, declarations, notices, etc. And finally, in supply chain, we use OCR engines to read batch codes, expiration dates, etc. So if you want to use the OCR engine, you need and have to use the multi-cloud approach, because first there are many performance providers on the market, so you will need to find the best according to your data. You will also need to find the cheapest, because prices can be very different between the providers. And finally, sometimes it can be very interesting to combine different engines to have the all capabilities of the different engines. But the multi-cloud approach presents inconvenience. The first one is that you need to subscribe and contract with all the providers, and you will also need to master the API documentation of this provider's API. And this can be very time consuming because the API documentation can be very different between providers. Finally, you will need to monitor the costs associated to each engines, and this is very complicated. So to solve all these problems and to allow you to use easily different OCR engine, we created Eden AI. With Eden AI platform here, you can select and use the different engines for OCR with your own data here. And you get the results of the different providers with the rapidity of the answers and also the prices associated to each engine. Of course, for use in production, we provide SDK for OCR engines. Here, in few lines of code, you can use different engines for OCR with your batch of data. Here, provider is a simple parameter, and you get the results of the different engines here. Finally, you can, with the Eden AI platform, monitor the costs associated to the different provider you used. And here you can see the conceptions for OCR engines you used. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more information about this subject, you can read our complete article on our website edenai.com.